In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Desmos to evaluate functions using both function notation and a table. So in this example, we have g of x is equal to x squared minus 5x plus 3. You can see as I type the equation, the graph appears. So the first method I'm going to show you is function notation. I want to evaluate this function at 3. So the x value is 3. I can type in, instead of g of x, just type in g of 3. And you can see that Desmos goes ahead and evaluates that function for you, and the answer is -3. Another way to do this is to use a table. So if you click this cogwheel, you can change this equation to a table. And you can see that the value for when the function is -2, the y value is 17. When the x value is -1, the y value is 9. And if I want to find when the function is 3, when the value of x is 3, I can just type in 3 into the table and I'll see that y value right there. If I wanted to find out when what g of 10 is, I could just type in 10. If you see this little magnifying glass, you can click the magnifying glass and that will zoom fit, and then you can see all of these points that are showing up in the table also appear on the graph. And bonus, you can type in x equals 3 and that'll show a vertical line through the graph. Click where they intersect and you will see that ordered pair.